Diabetics in the Mississippi Delta now have a better way to maintain and control their disease. Thanks to the Sunflower Rural Health Clinic's strategic partnership with Care Innovations and others to offer a program where blood sugar levels are taken by the patient and then entered on a tablet, where it is immediately recorded and viewed by the staff at Sunflower Rural Health Clinic. If there is an issue or concern about the patient, a nurse will call the patient and schedule an appointment for them to adjust medications and help regulate diet.
Miss Collins? Hi, this is Brenda from the clinic. How are you today?
I'm fine, Brenda. How are you?
Great. I've been looking over your blood sugar readings. You've been running high lately. I really think you need to come in. A little concerned. We need to make some adjustments and try to get those readings back down to normal. Can you come in today?
This up-to-the-minute technology and monitoring service can help save lives, as well as assist patients in managing their diabetes more efficiently and comfortably.
This is going to be a great program.